Hello, I'm Dr. Weber, Medical Director of one of Europe's most cutting-edge hospitals. Our mission is to promote the welfare of our patients by creating an environment in which they can feel secure. However, in the past we struggled with technological and staffing constraints that stopped us completing that mission. One of these constraints involved a particularly critical element of our patient care, pathology, which is crucial for the rapid detection and diagnosis of diseases. Although our staff prepared tissue sample slides quickly, it would often be weeks before the samples were provided and interpreted in the labs. Firstly, because there are far too few pathologists these days, and secondly, because this is a very time-consuming analog process. We faced similar problems in mammography, cardiology and radiology. Of course, we've been working with digital image data in these areas for a long time now, but with different imaging devices producing different formats, lots of different solutions were needed for viewing and interpreting the scans. These data silos aren't just expensive, they also delay the analytical process and subsequent medical treatment. We did use a PACS system to process image data, but it couldn't cope with the proprietary formats and the explosion in storage requirements. But then we discovered a one-stop solution we could use to address all these constraints and provide and archive all image data in real time. This solution integrates Cloudian's hyperperformant and cost-effective object storage technology, a universal viewer compatible with all relevant data types, and all workflows needed for seamlessly sharing personalized and anonymized patient data in real time. With this solution developed by Aquinet, the leading Cloudian integrator in healthcare, we can now make our patient data available fully digitalized at any time or location. We use it to deal with staffing constraints by recruiting external specialists as quickly as possible. We can provide anonymized data to researchers. And since it is a vendor-neutral solution, we no longer have the problem of costly vendor dependencies and data silos. And above all, without the obstacles imposed by systems and time-consuming processes, we can care even better for the people whose welfare we're all about, our patients.